Hi, this is Ben from TSG. Today I'm going to be giving an overview of how one of our insurance clients implemented a rolling migration to replace their legacy ECM system for their claims viewers. This allows content and users to be gradually rolled out into the new system rather than a big bang rollout and migration of all content prior to the rollout. In this example integration screen, we can see that a user is asked to enter in a claim number. Once they execute it, OpenMigrate runs a lightweight query against the legacy system to pull in all the documents for this claim. If this is the first time the claim is viewed, we see that all of the documents in the claim are migrated over into the claim before the user is presented with a listing of all documents in this claim. Now that the documents are all in the new system, the users can take advantage of all the abilities to quickly view a document, as well as annotate, redact, and combine documents. The next time a user views this claim, the query is run again against the legacy system to see if any new documents have been created since the last time this claim was viewed. For more information about a rolling migration, please visit our website at tsgrp.com.